Hello guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa video ito, alamin natin ang 10 pinakamagandang babaeng volleyball players sa PBL sa taong 2025. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Let's go! Ang pang-10 ay si Jima Galanza. Si Jima Galanza ay naglaro sa Creamline Coal Smashers bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 7 inches.
Hi guys! I'm Jima Galanza from Adamson University and papakita ko ngayon kung anong yung laman ng bag ko pag may ito, lagayan ko ng yung mga jerseys ko, panties, bras, yan. So, ito. Tapos, makeup, yan, cellphone, chocolates pag pag gusto kong may food, so kung nagdadala ko, chocolate. Payong, syempre minsan hindi natin alam yung panahon, so nagdadala ko lagi. Snow cap, whitening lotion, and mga kikay kit ko, yan. So, nagdadala rin ako ng blower kasi yung hair ko magulo siya minsan. So, blower, tapos 2 suklay. So, yan. Madumi yan. Siyempre, kailangan separate yung malinis sa madumi. So, yan. Ito. Knee pads. Yan. Sa ankle braces. Then, elbow pad. Yung shoes ko na size, ano size ko nito? Size 9.5. A6 pink. Then last yung cologne ko. Rihanna Nude. Pangupo siya. And this is Jima Galanza. Thank you for watching.
Ang pang-siyam ay si Michelle Cobb. Si Michelle Cobb ay naglaro sa Akari Chargers bilang isang sitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 25 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 3 inches.
Being a setter of a very well-esteemed team is not an easy job. It's like, nung nakita ko siya, kaya na lahat. So now, I feel like she's embodying her role as a setter and as a team captain. Makikita talaga the leadership, yung all-aroundness niya. I'm so happy to see how she's playing right now and I'm really proud of her. Mars, pinapanood mo ito ngayon. I'm so proud of you and the fact na ganito yung perform nila. Nakakapangtaas talaga ng balay ito. Mataas anyways. See that? Hindi mo pinakita! Hindi mo pinakita! Basta nakascore nang walang block. Animal song! Basta Pilipinas ka ganyan.
Ang pang-8 ay si Jennifer Nierba. Si Jennifer Nierba ay naglaro sa Cherry Tigo Crossovers bilang isang libero. Ang kanyang edad ay 25 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 4 inches.
I'm Jennifer Nierba.
Ang pang-7 ay si Pipi Sharma. Si Pipi Sharma ay naglaro sa Akari Chargers bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 23 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 10 inches.
It's Mariofi Sharma. You guys can call me Fifi. I'm from De La Salle University, Manila. I'm wearing jersey number 2, playing middle blocker.
Ang pang-6 ay si Ponggay Gaston. Si Ponggay Gaston ay naglaro sa Cherry Tigo Crossovers bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 27 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 8 inches.
Hi guys, I'm Ponggay and I'm gonna show...
Ang pang-5 ay si Rachel Ann Dakis. Si Rachel Ann Dakis ay naglaro sa Farm Fresh, Texas bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 37 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 10 inches.
Hi everyone, this is Rachel Landakis. I was nominated by Choice Spring Intensive Plunge to Pledge to help Boracay refresh their wasteland. Plunge to Pledge is a shared advocacy in preserving the country's beautiful beaches. The beach with the highest number of votes will be given a beach cleanup package from Nestle. And now, I nominate Bea San, Abby Paranyo, the Signal HQ Spikers, and my followers to take the Nestle plunge. You have 24 hours to do it. I plunge for Boracay! Woo!
Ang pang-apat ay si Carly Hernandez. Si Carly Hernandez ay naglaro sa Galleries Tower High Risers bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 25 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 5 inches.
Hi guys, I'm Carly Hernandez. I'm from Galleries Tower High Risers, outside hitter. Since malapit na yung liga namin this season, we practice every day. Isang araw lang pahinga namin, which is Sunday. Anything with cardio. For me as an athlete, siguro yung hirap, yung sacrifices every training, especially every day kami nagka-training. So, time and effort, siguro yun yung magpapamotivate to win. Hindi ako mabilis mag-give up. Libero, kasi yun yung last na position ko before ako maging spiker ulit. Unang-una kong tinitingnan sa volleyball shoes is yung kung gaano siya ka-safe pag ginagamit siya sa game and sa trainings. So far, nagaanan ako sa kanya dun sa shoes. And medyo gusto ko kasi sa shoes is yung fit siya talaga sa pako. So wala siyang time to move pagka gumagalaw ako inside the court. So nakuha niya yun. So dun ko siya nagustuhan kasi comfy ako pagka nasa loob ng court. This is Carly Hernandez. See you in PVL and witness the power in every serve. Believe we can.
Ang pangatlo ay si Mika Reyes. Si Mika Reyes ay naglaro sa PLDT High Speed Hitters bilang isang middle blocker. Ang kanyang edad ay 30 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 6 feet.
What's the most difficult part of training? Siguro yung serve-receive. Kasi syempre, hindi man ako receiver talaga. So, nahirapan na akong mag-receive ng ball, especially during training. And what's the secret to your fair complexion? Lagi ako nag-umbrella pag lumalabas ako. Kasi sabi ni Mama, masama daw na arawan. Can you share an embarrassing moment? Hindi ko alam kung may nakakita nito, pero nung UAAP, I think second year ako noon, second year college, nag-bounce ako, tapos nagpunta sa mukha ko. Pero feeling ko walang nakakita, so parang okay, diretso lang ako, mag-serve na ako noon. If you can have one superpower, what could it be and why? Superpower ba yung teleportation? Tama ba? Teleport, sila ang Goku. Tama ba? Sorry. Yung mga ganun, teleport. Gusto ko noon kasi, syempre, dito sa Manila, sobrang traffic. And I think magagamit ko talaga siya kung pupunta ako sa pupuntahan.
Ang pangalawa ay si Michelle Gumabaw. Si Michelle Gumabaw ay naglaro sa Creamline Coal Smashers bilang isang opposite hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 32 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 10 inches. pinakauna sa listahan ay walang iba kundi si Vanessa Gandler. Si Vanessa Gandler ay naglaro sa Signal HD Spikers bilang isang outside hitter. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 9 inches.
Ito, sabi ng historian natin dito, you scored 20 points. Hindi ko nabasa. But you've been scoring double digits in your past 4 games. 20 or more points in 4 straight games last conference. So, saan nanggaling yung confidence,
Energy.
yung energy, and just the grit to play every game?
My team, of course. No, and I was really just grateful to be there. Grateful to be in the position that I was in. So I really just enjoyed, because at the end of the day, I was still a rookie. So I was really enjoying every moment.
Vanny, you improved so much since when you were in Ateneo. So do you do like extra training? Kasi kitang-kita talaga sa performance from the last conference na you've improved so much.
I would say since the pandemic, I've really been investing in myself. So it's kind of like long time coming. It's like 4 years in the making, or I just have to be patient. But still, I'm still far from what I can probably reach or what I should reach. But yeah, I'm just happy that I was put in this team that I can really feel I can grow.
So, talk about how does it feel to play side by side with Aces Molina, Jovelyn Gonzaga, and to have, one of the best setters right now in the Philippines, Angel Cayuna.
And Don Macandili.
Don
Yes.
Macandili.
It's still like I get like starstruck, especially now. At the Dawn came in, so last year I was with Ate Jobs, Ate Ces, Ate Ree, and then now Ate Dawn came in, so I'm like, wow.
So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, likes, comment, and share para sa sunod na video ang aking i-upload. Thank you.